Welcome back to Channel V8X, where luxury meets raw power and SUVs rule the road. This is not just an SUV. This is the 2026 Range Rover SV, finished in a stunning pearl white, and it represents the absolute peak of modern automotive luxury blended with American-style dominance. Let's start with the front view, bold, confident, unapologetic. That massive grille, the iconic Range Rover lettering, and those razor-sharp LED headlights instantly tell you one thing: this vehicle owns the road before it even moves. The stance is wide, muscular, and powerful, exactly what a flagship luxury SUV should look like. Now slide over to the side profile, and this is where elegance meets strength. The long, clean body lines, the black contrast roof, and the subtle SV detailing create a perfect balance of luxury and aggression. From this angle, the Range Rover SV looks like it's in motion even when standing still, smooth, expensive, and commanding. Move to the rear view, and the confidence continues. Sleek LED taillights, a wide planted stance, and a minimalist yet premium design make sure no one forgets what just passed them on the highway. This angle doesn't scream, it whispers power. Step inside, and the dashboard welcomes you into a world reserved for the elite. Premium leather, precision craftsmanship, ambient lighting, and a digital cockpit that feels more like a private jet than an SUV. Every button, every screen, every surface is designed to make the driver feel in control and completely relaxed. Under the hood, the engine view tells a different story. This is where luxury meets brute force. The V8 power plant delivers effortless acceleration, deep authoritative sound, and performance that makes this luxury SUV feel like a muscle car in a tailored suit. Now imagine seeing this beast from above, the drone view. From the sky, the pearl white paint glows, the proportions look flawless, and the Range Rover SV truly feels like a symbol of status. It doesn't just belong on the road, it dominates landscapes. Take it to the highway, and everything comes together. Smooth cruising, explosive passing power, and rock-solid stability at speed. This SUV doesn't rush, it arrives. Whether you're gliding down an open American freeway or overtaking traffic with ease, the Range Rover SV feels unstoppable. And finally, the night shot. City lights reflecting off the pearl white body, headlights glowing with confidence, and a presence that turns heads without asking for attention. At night, this SUV becomes pure automotive art. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Range Rover SV comes with a price tag starting around $180,000, and when fully optioned, it can climb well beyond that. But this isn't about cost, it's about status, comfort, power, and presence. This isn't for everyone. This is for those who demand the best. Ending channel call. You're watching Channel V8X. Subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more elite machines that define power, luxury, and performance.